acceleration. One object is in a circular motion. One object, anything in a circular motion. It have a constant center, that is a fixed point also, that is called as O. From O, every point of the circle have an equal distance, that is called as R. And this particles movement of the circle, I repeat once more, the particle movement of the circle, each and every moment, it is contain a maybe constant velocity, maybe increasing velocity, maybe rest condition. Clear everyone? I repeat once more. Object is moving in a circular condition. Two possibilities are there. Maybe I am applying a constant force, moving constantly. Applying more force, gradually increasing the velocity. Two possibilities. I can increase the speed. Otherwise, one time I am just giving, it will be continue the same velocity. So that position I will take. Please close the door. So object is moving. We have to apply a one force. Object start to move. So object is continue the movement, and after some time it is come to zero. Point number 2. We have to apply the force. Object is start to moving. Then come to reduce. That time I apply the another force. Continue the force like that. It is called as uniform velocity motion. That condition we have to consider here. This object is moving in a uniform velocity. That is my first point. Particles moves in a uniform velocity. Listen, everyone listen here. So I am considering particles are moving in a uniform velocity like that. Each and every particle have a velocity in tangential direction. I repeat once more. The particle have a velocity, that is a uniform condition. At the same time, that velocity of the particle in a tangential direction. So what is the tangent of this point? This is the tangent. What is the tangent of this point? This is the tangent. What is the tangent of this point? This is the tangent. That means each and every point, particle tangent is different. So I repeat once more. The particle movement in the tangential direction, and every point tangential direction is also different. In which condition? Uniform magnetic field condition. This much clear everyone? So अभी तक मैं सेंटर कटल के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोली. I am just explaining you how the circular motion is going on. Clear everyone? The center है, equal distance have radius are there. It is a combination of particle with a uniform velocity. Each and every point, this velocity direction is tangential, and the tangential direction is different at different point. This much clear? Then this velocity of tangential direction is the velocity. Maybe time equal to 1, velocity v1. Time equal to 2, velocity v2. Like that. So velocity changes with respect to time. That is called as
uniform acceleration.
Velocity changes with respect to time. That is called as acceleration. So object have a velocity changes with respect to time. That velocity direction is tangential, and that property is called as acceleration. Clear everyone? This acceleration direction is towards the center of the circle. That acceleration is called as central petal acceleration. अभी clear होगा? कल में मैं कुछ problem कर दी आप लोग को. I hope now you can understand well. Some often is get it, some often का face अभी भी clear नहीं है ना सर? समझ आओगे आपका? Clear होगा. Circle का particle है, particle move कर रहे हैं. Every particle have a velocity. समझ गया क्या? Every particle have a velocity. Velocity is a vector quantity. It have a direction. That velocity direction is tangential. What is tangential? मेकिंग 90 डिग्री टू द सरफेस. Yesterday मैम बोली सेंट्रल पेटल एक्सेलरेशन का है tangential, not like that. Velocity of the particles are tangential. That tangential at different point. That velocity is changes with respect to time. Change in velocity divided by time is called as change in velocity divided by time is called as acceleration. This acceleration is called as central petal acceleration. This acceleration direction is towards the central. Clear everyone? So central petal acceleration is towards the center. Velocity of the particle is tangential direction. Difference समझ गया अच्छा से? समझ गया क्या? Yes. Then we should going on the diagram of that. This is the circular movement. Circular movement. Center O. I am considering this much of arc AB. We already know what is the meaning of arc. Arc means
any part of circle.
Part of the circle. Part of the circle is called as arc. I am joining 0 to A, 0 to B. Means center point to A and center point to B. Okay. Then after that, this angle is called as phi. This angle is called as theta. This theta is divided into 2. So half हो जाएगा. So theta by 2 I will get like that. Theta by 2. And this one is also theta by 2. Listen here. The point A contain velocity. सही है ना? Point A is also have a velocity. It is a part of a circle. That A velocity is tangential direction of A. The B is also have a velocity. That is the tangential direction of B. Clear everyone? समझ गया? So I am considering a arc AB. The arc contain A also velocity B. Tangential direction में है. B also velocity V, that is also tangential direction. This velocity of the A is a inclined line. सही है ना? Horizontal भी नहीं है, vertical भी नहीं है. Velocity of the A is a inclined line. Every inclined line have a two components, horizontal and vertical. So this A contain two components. This is the horizontal component. This is the vertical component. So this angle is theta also. Then how to write it as? Very near to the angle is cos. Opposite is sine. I have already explained in the classroom. So this is B cos theta by 2 is here. Cos theta by 2. This one is B sine theta by 2. This much clear for everyone? Next. आपको चाहिए तो इधर देखना. I am not compelling to anyone. You want the classes, you want to understand, you listen here. मेरे को सबको बुला के इधर देखो भैया सर बोलने का टाइम नहीं. I am just going on my portion. चाहिए तो अच्छा से बैठो दिखाओ. That's your use. ठीक है ना? I can't help you because number of students is more. In the case of B, it is also have a velocity V. It is also inclined line. It is also contain vertical and horizontal component. So B contain horizontal component is this. Vertical component is this. Horizontal component angle is this is theta by 2. So B cos theta by 2 and B sin theta by 2. Clear everyone? I am considering an arc joining to the center and angle is theta, halfly divided theta by 2. 2 points ka velocity in the tangential direction, incline cos theta by 2 and sin theta by 2. This much clear? Then after that. In the case of a x direction, change of velocity along. Change of velocity along x direction. What are the terms in the x direction here? You can see this is x direction, है ना? This one is y direction. X direction में क्या क्या forces है? V cos theta by 2 है. Another V cos theta by 2 भी है. You can see this one. X direction में this V cos theta by 2 भी है. This force का V cos theta by 2 भी है. So we have to write like that. V cos theta by 2 minus v cos theta by 2. Okay, we have to write just first one minus second one like that. So I can write here v cos theta by 2 minus v cos theta by 2. Similarly, change of velocity in y direction. So tell me, y direction में क्या क्या force है? One is upward, v sin theta by 2. One is downward, v sin theta by 2. And how we have to write? V sin theta by 2 minus. Another one is opposite direction है ना? So opposite direction simplify करने के लिए दूसरा एक और भी minus चाहिए. So minus v sin theta by 2. Minus of minus answer is plus. So v sin theta by 2 plus v sin theta by 2. Answer is 2v sin theta by 2. Theta by 2 is a very small angle. Sin theta by 2 फिर भी small है. So that means sin theta by 2 we have to consider as theta by 2 only. समझ रहे क्या मैं क्या बोलूँगा? Angle theta को divide कर दिया 2 आ गया, छोटा होगा. फिर भी sin में डालने के बाद फिर भी छोटा हो जाएगा. So sin theta by 2 is a very small angle, है ना? Very small angle. That's the reason I am consider sin theta by 2 is a very small one. So theta by 2 only we have to write it as. So we can the along y axis का देते हम लोग only 2v theta, delta theta, small change in theta लिख रहे हैं. समझ गया क्या? Sin theta by 2 I can change into delta theta because value is very very less. This much clear for everyone? समझ गया. Next, I am considering acceleration. What is the meaning of acceleration? Change in velocity divided by time. Okay. So what is the change in velocity here? 2v delta theta is the acceleration, है ना? So please pause the video, please.